Imagine asking your phone, "Hey, write my breakup text, make a grocery list, and explain quantum physics in plain English." And it does all three without blinking. That's AI. Welcome to What is AI? Explained Simply 2026. Today we're demystifying AI, what it actually is, why everyone from your neighbor to big countries talks about it, and how it's changing work, art, medicine. We'll keep it simple, slightly sassy, and packed with real 2026 numbers so you sound smart at dinner parties. What is AI? At its core, artificial intelligence, AI, means making machines perform tasks that normally require human smarts, recognizing images, understanding language, making decisions. There are two big buckets. One, narrow AI, systems trained for a single task, like recognizing faces or recommending videos. Two, general AI, still hypothetical. A system that could handle lots of different tasks. Most of what you see today is narrow AI, but it's getting very, very good. How does AI work? Most modern AI uses math, lots of data, and models called neural networks that learn patterns. For language, we have large language models, or LLMs, which are trained on huge piles of text and then predict the next word. But when you scale that up, they start writing essays, debugging code. Training needs three main ingredients: data, examples to learn from; compute, powerful computers; GPUs, TPUs, algorithms, the recipes that tweak model parameters. When you mix these and show the model billions of sentences, it learns grammar, facts, and some reasoning tricks. But it also learns biases found in data, and sometimes confidently invents answers. Real-world examples: practical AI, quick tour, chat helpers, customer support bots that answer questions and summarize long emails. Creativity, AI-assisted music, images, or scripts. Yes, your favorite rapper might one day collab with an algorithm. Medicine. AI reads scans faster than humans in some cases and helps predict disease spread. Search and maps, smarter directions, localized recommendations, and faster searches. Workplace automation. Tasks like summarizing meetings, coding scaffolds, or generating reports. Companies and governments are pouring money into AI. In 2025, the AI market was estimated at about $391 billion and is projected to hit roughly $539 billion in 2026. Funding exploded too. Investors poured over $200 billion into AI startups in 2025 alone. So why now? The acceleration. Two big reasons AI suddenly feels everywhere. One, model scale plus better techniques. New architectures and training tricks let models do more with the same data. Two, cheaper access to compute and cloud services. Startups can rent powerful GPUs instead of owning entire server farms. Businesses report rapidly growing AI usage. Surveys in late 2024-2025 show large increases in adoption across sectors, with companies building AI agents to handle workflows. Common misconceptions. Myth 1. AI is conscious. Nope. Current AI mimics parts of thinking but doesn't have feelings, beliefs, or subjective experience. Myth 2. AI will steal all jobs tomorrow. Not overnight, but it will shift which jobs humans do. Myth 3. AI is always right. Definitely not. Models can be confidently wrong and reflect the biases of their training data. Quick demo idea. Ask an AI to write a dramatic breakup text. Then ask it to write a breakup text that doesn't involve clicks. You'll see charm, confusion, and at least one metaphor involving a foxes. AI isn't just neat tricks, it raises real issues. Bias and fairness. If training data reflects societal bias, AI reproduces it. Misinformation. Large models can produce plausible-sounding false info. Concentration of power. Few companies control the biggest models and vast compute resources. Security. Deepfakes and automated cyber attacks are real threats. Governments and companies are responding, from summit-level talks to product policies. A major AI summit in India in 2026 drew world leaders and executives to discuss governance and global participation in setting rules. What's next? The near future. Expect more of these trends. Smaller, cheaper models that run on phones. AI that doesn't need the cloud for simple tasks. Multimodal models that combine text, images, and sound more naturally. Think AI that watches a short video and writes the script. Agents, AI tools that can perform multi-step tasks for you, like booking travel or managing a project. Also, more money is moving into infrastructure and chips, meaning faster, cheaper AI compute. The ecosystem will split, foundational models expand, and many specialized models built on top of them. How to use AI safely. If you're a beginner, here's a quick playbook. 1. Verify outputs. Treat AI as a first draft, not gospel. 2. Use reliable tools. Prefer providers with safety commitments and transparency. 3. Learn basic prompts. Clear, step-by-step instructions get better results. If you're worried about jobs, don't panic. Get practical. Learn tools that augment your role. For creatives, think of AI as a collaborator that gives you drafts, variations, or wild ideas to spark your work. For coders, AI can scaffold code, but you'll still need design, debugging, and logic. Simple examples you can try. 1. Use an AI to summarize a long article into bullet points. 2. Ask an AI to draft a professional email, then edit it, you'll learn faster. 3. Give it a short story prompt and then rewrite the ending yourself. It's like improv class with a robot. Ethical questions you can ask. When a tool automates a decision, ask, who makes the final call? Is the data fair? Who is accountable if something goes wrong? Try one practical thing this week. Ask an AI to summarize a 2,000-word article into 5 bullet points. Then check those bullets against the original. Notice what's missing. You'll quickly get a feel for strengths and limits. A lot of the cash flowing into AI in 2025 and 2026 hasn't been for flashy chatbots alone. It's for the plumbing, cloud servers, custom chips, data centers. Quick tips for creators. Keep a human in the loop. Always review and refine AI-generated content. Practice spotting when AI makes stuff up. That skill is gold. AI isn't magic. It's math, data, and engineering with a dash of human ego. It's already changing how we work, create, and play. If you liked this explainer, like the video, subscribe for more clear, slightly contrarian tech explainers, and drop a comment. What AI myth do you want busted next? Also, share this vid with someone who still thinks AI is a sci-fi villain. Thanks for watching. Now go teach your phone to make better toast metaphors. Learn the basics, try small projects, and keep asking how tools were built. In 2026, AI is a powerful assistant, not a replacement for human judgment, empathy, and still common sense.